I'm wearing a big red hat because I'm having a bad hair day. Today I'm creating a painting using only a fan brush. I'm not very used to fan brushes, and that's why I want to do this. I feel like by using a fan brush for an entire painting, it's gonna be interesting, but I'm hoping to find new ways to use it. I'll be painting this landscape. Some fan brushes are very soft, but I'll be using a firmer one, this one to be specific. All right, let's see what it can do. I'll show you my painting process, let you know what I'm doing as I'm doing it. But stay until the end for the big reveal, and I'll let you know my final thoughts on the fan brush. I did a quick and rough sketch of the painting. The first thing I want to do is block in the sky and the ocean. And because I want it to be very blended and like a gradient, I'm using these really cool acrylic paints that dry a lot less fast than regular acrylic. I reviewed them in a video. It's the Open Slow Drying Acrylics by Golden. They're really a lifesaver in many situations. I love them. If you like expressive painting, if you want inspiration and acrylic painting tips, please subscribe and let me know in the comments that you subscribed. I'd like to welcome you in person. And if you want behind the scenes throughout the week, I'm also on Instagram on stories. Now I'm gonna move on to all the foliage in the painting, but I'm starting by blocking large planes of colors using different shades. Now that I have most of the colors down, it's time to put in details. The tree lines give a little bit more texture and try to achieve more depth in the painting. I'm really trying to use this fan brush in all possible ways, like on its side, on its point, or really flat to create large planes. To be brutally honest, I really dislike the painting. I completely failed in my book. Oh my god. Normally I would just not post a video, but I feel like big failures are such a big part of painting that why not show it? I failed. It doesn't look good. There's so many problems with it. The problem is the texture. I don't mind it that much in the fields if I create like big swoops. I kind of like the look of it, but the big swoops combined with the stippling where the texture is like crazy intense, it's a fail. Everything's messy. There's no focal point. The sky is too dark. Let me just find one bit of it that I like just to keep positive a little bit. I like this texture here and the colors that I was able to get. Like this movement, this swoop of paint. I do like that. I like the pop of pink here. I like the houses at the horizon line here. The biggest failure is all the trees, the sky, and the ocean. If you want to see me not fail and do something half decent, go watch this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in just a few days for another one. Bye. This is bothering me so much, so I'm just gonna fiddle with it because I'm so bothered. Goodbye texture, you've been great, but I don't like you. I made it worse. Time for ice cream.